Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Bank of America account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bankofamerica.com and hit enter. Once the Bank of America homepage opens up on your screen, just below the sign in button, you'll see a forgot ID/passcode option. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on that button, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your card or account number here and your social security number here, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be directed to another page where you will be further guided to reset your Bank of America passcode. I hope this video helped you to reset your Bank of America passcode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.